This was our first breakfast sa hotel. And ito yung mga food nila. Parang wala akong nakita masyado na mataba sa Armenia. So, siguro dahil sa food nila yun. As you can see, mahilig sila sa fruits and veggies. Maliit lang yung dining area ng hotel, pero okay naman yung food niya. And syempre, OOTD check. Then, we headed to our meeting location. Tapos, nandun na yung bus waiting for us. Thankfully, una kaming dumating, kaya nasa unahan kami nakapwesto.
Мы начинаем наш тур из Еревана.
The tour guide used 3 languages to communicate. Russian, Armenian, and English. So, tina-translate niya lang. We reached our location after an hour and a half. And first stop is Sevan Lake. Pero doon kami sa may mountain, kaya climbing galore. And since bihira tayo mag-exercise, so talagang hirap na hirap kami. We needed to take a break from time to time kasi sobrang taas niya at sobrang pagod na rin kami. Pagod ako. Kulang sa practice. And let me remind you, may sakit sa my friend. O, diba? Super supportive talaga siya. Ano yun?
Berries.
Berries? Hindi blueberry.
Вот это очень вкусный.
Habang umaakyat kami, marami kaming nakikitang paninda sa paligid. Pero syempre, nakafocus kami sa pag-akyat dahil since it's a group tour, may time limit.
I-appreciate mo na yung view.
In fairness, maganda naman din talaga ang view sa taas at masarap din ang weather that time. And let me share you one thing I learned during this trip. Kahit gaano kalamig ang weather, you don't really need to bring a heavy jacket dahil papawisan din kayo while walking and climbing. In the end, dadalhin nyo lang yung jacket at magkakaroon pa kayo ng extra bit-bitin. And finally, we reached the top and there is a monastery here. This is the first monastery or church na napuntahan namin on this trip. And I thought this was the last, so I've thought. Upon reaching the location, the tour guide will divide us according to the language that we understand. For our first stop, inuna niya ang mga Russian speakers para i-brief tungkol sa historical background. Tapos, after 15 minutes, English naman. But we didn't join na, me and my friend, kasi we were busy exploring the place on our own. After ng historical lessons na 15 minutes, they will give us 1 hour or time na kailangan naming mag-meet up sa bus. In my case kasi, I'm not really a fan of history or anything related in the past. So, hindi na ako sumasama sa mga briefing. What matters most to me is the view and the scenery, which is completely different from my billionaire friend. Siya yung nag-book ng trip. So, wala tayong choice but to enjoy. Charot lang. 12 o'clock yung call time para bumalik sa bus. So, we're heading down na bago pa mahuli at nakakahiya kapag kami lang yung naiwan bilang group tour siya. Ayun lang muna for today. Thank you for watching. Bye!